You can see here I opened the command prompt. At first I just want to enter the Python and then I press the enter. Now I can write the Python code here. If I write here 10 and divide by 2, and you can see I got output as 5, right? And if I write 11 divided by 2, then I got output as 5.5. The first example, 10 divided by 2, it means we need to get only the 5. It means we need integer value, right? To control the integer value in the Python, so we have to use the one operator, that is 10, and if I use the double divide symbol over here and then 5, and if I press enter, then I got 2 here. It means that this double divide sign represents the integer division. Sometimes we call it as floor division also, right? So this is the first things I just want to show you in the Python. And now if I use only the underscore, and if I use the plus symbol, and if I type 5 here, and what will be the output? Can you guess here over here? If I press enter, it shows the 7. It means that the underscore represents the previous value. It means 2 is my previous value here, and 2 plus 5, it is 7. And again if I use underscore and then plus 10, what will be the output? In this case we have previous value as 7, and 7 plus 10, that will be 17. We can do all the operation, mathematical operation, like underscore multiply by 3, and if I press enter, we got 51. It means 17 3s are 51. So underscore, it represents the previous value, it holds the previous value, and this we can do only in the command prompt. If we open the PyCharm and if we try to run this same code, then we can't run this code in the PyCharm. So just remember these things. And another things I just want to show you in the Python, if I use the print function and if I use the quotation, we can use the single quotation or the double quotation according to your requirement or as you want. So inside the print function, if I type here the because and if I press enter, it shows me the because. Again if I just type here the print because and then the /n, and if I type here the bine and I press enter, I got the because and the bine. This /n represents the next line, but in this video I'm not gonna show you that /n means the next line. I want to show you the raw string. What is raw string? If I use again the same print function and outside this quotation, if I type here r and if I press enter, then I got the same string inside the same string as inside the quotation. It means because /n and then the bine. So in this way we can get the raw string. This is called the raw string. So if we need everything same as inside the quotation, then we can just put the r outside the quotation, and then we can get the exact things from the quotation. So in this video we have discussed about the integer division or floor division, and second things we have discussed about the previous value function. The underscore means it holds the previous value, right? And third one is the raw string. So if I want to print same as inside the quotation, then we can just use r outside the quotation. Thank you so very much for watching this video. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much.